Yo homies, I'm gonna take this little pack of Fun Dip, rip it open, and like chug all the powder. Also, of course, it's the Raz apple that changes colors, so that's gonna give it an instant 10. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but a bunch of powder flew out. Here, I'll show you. It's blue, but when you stick your finger on it, it starts to turn green. You can't really see it on camera, but it does it. Ooh, that's sour. Alright. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. And then I'll just deep throat the stick. Pretty good. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Bye, homies.